back. Oh Lord, not my head. All right, back here. And give us back your best pose again. Okay, ladies, so that's what we're going to do. Now, whoever is the most exciting, the most thrilling, and fabulous in their heels are going to win by applause, okay? So who's going to be our first contestant? Come on down! Come on, y'all chickens. Come on, chickens. Come on, y'all. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Come on now. Somebody got it. Somebody else got it.
Come on back there.
How did we do it at the?
Yes.
How did we do it at the Derby?
Put that chicken down there. Come on. I'm like, put that chicken there. Come on.
Yes. They are not messing up that.
Okay, Iris.
I'm gonna try these glit lips.
Yeah, you gotta start calling out.
Iris.
I wore them. You ever see me with those?
I need you.
Okay, let me dump this real quick.
Okay. Iris on garbage can duty. Everybody's like, I'm busy, I can't catwalk. Anything but the catwalk, Nicole. No, I'm gonna tell y'all, this hat right here is bad, right here.
That is bad. I like that. I like that hat. Let me get the total details of that hat is hot.
It makes me look like a toothpick.
Okay, we waiting for Iris. She gonna come on down and be our first catwalk walker. Come on, ladies, you get to win a free pair of shoes.
Can I just walk in these?
Yes.
Because I don't have any.
You don't have to have any heels on.
Well, but I can't wear heels.
Okay, but okay.
So,
You can catwalk
otherwise, it'll just be a
in
comic act.
your-
She's gonna catwalk first.
Okay, come on, Iris. Did you
I'm not following Iris.
You're gonna come here,
I'm not
turn,
following
walk to the back, turn, come back and turn with your best pose. Come on, Iris. Y'all give it up for Iris.
Yes! Woo!
Back to work this flying Divas-N-Dogs up in here. Working hard.
Do it, Ernst.
Yeah, go Iris. Go. Okay, y'all. You better model that, girl. You better model your bare feet. She better model her bare feet. She don't even have on shoes. She don't even have
Yes!
Come on! Ladies, you cannot be afraid! You're all here in sisterhood, you all held together! Come on! Let's have fun! You're gonna be so happy if you want a pair of shoes! Alright, let's give up Iris one more time! You didn't win nothing, you didn't win yet. Come on! I think I should win! We're getting some people in here. Come on, Mama, come on down here. Let's go. Yeah! Yes, Mama is good. In her beautiful pink shirt with her absolutely fabulous orange hat. All right, Mama. All right, number two. Who's number three? Come on, girl. Don't be scared. Yes, right here. Come on, Michelle.
The hat from Target.
Again, we at Divas-N-Dogs.
With a little bit of sparkle on my toes.
And that's
And she's rocking
changed.
some beautiful flip-flops,
These
baby.
ladies are
Contestant number 3 now. We need contestant number 4.
I'm doing it, right?
Come on, baby. It's your turn.
There you go. I like that. I like that too.
Beautiful shoe kiss. The shoe. So you got to stop with this pose. Okay, come on. There you go. And then so I can get gone, girl. Now.
I know. Okay.
I'm gonna go through the skit.
Everybody come on down. That was in the contest. Here we go. Audience, everybody that's in the audience, I want you to be fair, okay? And I want you to not just pick somebody because they're your friend. I want you to actually pick them and scream because they did a good job on the camera, okay? No cheating. So here we go here. Between my beautiful hair and mama. So I have to have a walk-off for them.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Now, ladies, here we go.
You see you want to
Okay. So you're going to do a catwalk.
Okay.
Stretch your so hard. And stretch your so hard. And then come back to you.
It's going to.
Oh, that's she got it.
Okay? Y'all ready? Can y'all do that? All right, okay. Who wants to go first? And we'll put you on, mama. Now give it up for mama.
That was
All right, now you got some big competition going on.
yeah.
Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, y'all ready? Give us some encouragement.
It's still hard. This is still hard.
Guess what?
Still hard.
Both of them won, right? And guess what? We don't have no prizes. No, I'm just kidding. We gonna find you.
I have to say hi to the famous person that just walked in.
Look at him around.
My northern friend, he's all over every movie. Oh. What's the latest movie?
I don't know, it's a bunch of them.
Oh, there's a bunch of them. Hi.
It's a Soul Train.
He's famous.